programmers! Last week on Grandma 3 for Grandma 2 programmers, we talked about patching on the MA3. But we didn't talk about how to bring your patch from your Grandma 2 show file into your Grandma 3, so let's do that. You're going to want to use the Grandma 2 software version number that's the companion to whatever version of MA3 software you're going to be using. On MA Lighting's downloads page, you can confirm the Mode 3 companion software to see if you need to upgrade. In my MA2 on PC, I've got a show here with a stage full of fixtures, lots of views, pages, presets, cues, and a lot of cool stuff that's just not going to translate to the MA3. Yep, all I'm going to get is my patch. The good news is I should get all of my fixture profiles, their fixture numbers, names, patch point, and 3D placement. So we go to the backup menu, and down here, I've got the option to export patch to MA3 and the corresponding version number. So this isn't exactly the show file converter that we had when we moved from MA1 to MA2, but it's a start. I want to save this to my thumb drive, and I'll click the export. What it saves does need to be stored in the MA3 file structure, and the software knows that, so even if you save to a blank thumb drive, the console will create the file structure on your drive for you. Creating this show file puts my MA2 patch into a new blank MA3 show file, so it's not an export-import kind of process. We take the show file that the MA2 spits out and load that show file into MA3. If I open the stage, I can see my rig and it looks pretty good. Now let's go into patch. Got all my fixtures here. Obviously not separated by MA2 layers because we know that those don't exist here. So they're all in one long line. I've got my fixture numbers, names, profiles, and we already saw their 3D position. One thing I'm noticing here is that my pan and tilt inverts didn't come in, but that's easy enough to fix. Of course, now we still have all of the work of making groups, layouts, presets, cues, basically the whole show, but at least the patch is in. For those of you that remember the Grandma 1 to Grandma 2 show converter, you remember that it brought in a whole lot more than just the patch. Will MA Lighting update this so that we get more from the 2 into the 3? I'm hopeful, but I just don't know. Next time, I want to talk about 3D. See you then.